Hello. Okay, my boyfriend has a work thing tonight and I was invited by like his boss. So last week we went over to his boss's house and they had like a group thing. She invited me, so I went, and then at that dinner at her, or that like get together, this gathering at her house, his like boss, like his boss that's in town right now invited me to this week's new function get together that they're having. So I have to go. Look, even when I had my corporate job, I hated the social aspect of it. I am an introverted accountant through and through. So I hate the socializing aspect of working, but like you have to, like you just have to. People want to know who they work with, you know what I mean? So like whatever, like he invited me, I'm gonna go. I'm a good girlfriend. Another thing I want to talk about is like, do you see my eyebrows? Do you see a difference? Because I saw this picture on Pinterest, this girl on Pinterest. She looks like she could be like mixed with Asian or something, like, which is my mix. And I was like, maybe I need to lean into this arched eyebrow thing, because this shape actually is easier to achieve with my natural eyebrow. I have been doing very straight brows on me since I was like 20. So the nice part about having naturally thick eyebrows is the fact that I can change the shape every time they grow back in. So I saw this picture and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna try that next. And it's very different from like what I usually do, because I like as straight as you can get them and an elongated straight eyebrow. This is like arched, and I even cut off the tails a little bit. Like this is a very different shape, but it's closer to my natural shape. And honestly, it's doing something for me. I do think it suits me. I'm going through like some health changes right now. I just saw like a general doctor and she was like, oh, you need to eat more often. Like there's so much acid in your stomach is destroyed. But now I feel like a Teletubby, like. Plus I've started lifting again, and you know if you've ever lifted in your life, the first like month you start lifting, you blow up, and you're like, why am I even doing this? Because like your muscles just retain so much water that you look lumpier and bumpier, and you're like, but I'm lifting, like I should be getting like good like definition snatched, but you just have to get past this phase. So doctor said my stomach is like destroyed. She's like, the lining of your stomach is awful. So trying to heal my stomach, because apparently that's contributing to like all of my issues. I'll try anything, and if you're just telling me I need to heal my gut, I could see that. Like I really could see that. The fact that I wake up, don't eat, because I wake up early, right? I wake up 6:37. I wait for Eric to wake up at 8:30, so I'm just in bed on my phone. I wake my boyfriend up 8:30. I'm like, hey, wake up, you gotta go to work. Then I roll out of bed. It's like looking like 9. The first thing that I put on my stomach, although I've been up since 6:30, coffee. Then what does the coffee do? Suppress my appetite. So when's the first time I'm eating? Like 12, lunch. So everything she explained to me, I was like, I could see it. Mind you, I'm sitting there and she's telling me how destroyed my gut is. My stomach starts to growl. And like, she's like, your stomach this, and like my stomach's getting tight and like growling, and I'm like, I can see that. I know how that's gonna end for me. But yeah, I think, like, I don't know, I'm trying to find out like what I want to do with YouTube, right? Like I think that's truly what it is for me at this junction of my life, at this stage of my life. And I do talk to my sister about it, but like it's not the same like texting someone. Like I want to go hang out with someone and be like, let's go shop, like I want to text someone and be like, oh my god, I want to get these Gucci shoes, like, you know. And like I talked to my mom and my sister about this, but they're like on a completely different time zone from me. So that's what YouTube is for me right now, I realize. And I think it's so weird that it has to play to a part of your psyche, like your ego, when you don't get a lot of views. Like I don't expect to get a lot of views, I'm nobody, but like when I get like 50 views, like my last video I did, 50 views, I'm like, dang, like, yeah, nobody wants to hear me talk about these things. I need to like calm down, and it'll be a good practice for me. Like, I really do have an issue with, like, even when we went to Bali, I edited, mind you, I have a private Instagram, nobody on it. I spent hours curating the perfect carousel post. Why? Like, I can never just have fun doing something. I always have to like turn it into like something. It's like, oh my god, just, you don't, this doesn't need to be like that serious. So I'm gonna tell you right now, this real love, like, I'm not kidding. Like, I wish I would have bought this for myself, like this combo of like the sea and the topaz. I wish I would have. I'm very grateful that they allowed me to pick these things out, because I really like it. And like, to the point where I called my sister after I filmed my last video and I was like, you need to buy this. Like, buy an N and buy whatever birthstone is for June. I was on an emerald kick for a while there, but like now, after Eric got me this sapphire, I'm like on blues right now. I'm like really in a blue gem, blue stone place in my mind. And the thing about this necklace is I've been considering, okay, I'm kind of done talking about that. I'm moving on topics. But oh, I'm really loving this eyebrow shape. Why do I like it so much? I feel like it really like suits my mature face more than the straight brows. The straight brows was the thing when my jaw was a little bit square, I had a little bit more weight in my face, but as you get older, like, that stuff just sheds. I've also gotten jaw botox. It does massively help migraines, but nothing helps migraines more than trap talks. That, migraines, okay, don't even stand a chance. But trap talks is too expensive. At least jaw botox is more accessible. The jaw botox, I think, takes the edge off of when you're having a migraine. I've also learned that like squeezing, like grabbing my eyebrow like that and squeezing as tight as I can, that also takes the edge off of my migraines. But anyway, slimming face. I just mean like overall your face really slims down when you get older. And I feel like this little arch like suits the new, like, my older face. Like, I'm not 21 anymore. Sorry, the Invisalign is really Invisalining right now. So yeah, that's another thing. Since getting the Invisalign, just that like layer of plastic is giving me a little bit more volume in my lips, and it's making me want to get filler again. Like, once I get these Invisalign out, once I'm out of Invisalign, now I kind of want to get filler again, because I love how it looks, but it won't ever look like this, because, like, let's be real, all I like is the fact that now I have just like a thin plastic on my teeth, and that is like the perfect amount of like lip enhancement that I want. Maybe I'll just wear Invisalign for the rest of my life. I'm tipping my head like that because I have like a light. My light just comes from there, so I'm going like this so I can actually see direct color on it, or I'd be looking like a normal person. This pink is just perfection. Okay, it's pretty. Yeah, it's really nice, and I really like this brow shape. It's really doing something for me. Oof, wow, it is like, that brow shape really suits me. I clearly favor this side of my face. Thank you so much for watching this video. I look bald. Anyway, so yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you blah blah blah, content la la la, subscribe la la la, like, thank you. As far as this video goes, I think we're done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.